What's up, guys? Welcome back to What the Flip. It has been a crazy last few weeks. The coronavirus has many people stuck inside, and hopefully you've been able to find a silver lining about quarantine. Maybe you've been able to catch up on some housework, spend time with loved ones, start a new Netflix show.
And we got a new puppy! So we've just been taking this time to get to know her a little bit and just trying to get her to stop chewing everything around the house. So it seems like everything in the media right now is so negative. So we're going to try to do something a little different.
In regard to COVID-19's effect on real estate, here are 5 surprisingly positive outlooks.
Number 1, if there is a recession, we don't think it'll be like the financial crisis of 2008.
The House of Representatives voted on a financial rescue plan.
The signs were everywhere, but now it's official. We are in a recession.
Dow tumbled more than 500 points.
The financial crisis of 2008 was largely brought on by the crash of the housing market. Bad lending practices led the housing bubble to burst, causing property values to plummet and left many people upside down on their mortgages. In general, recessions don't have a huge effect on the housing market. Most people buy real estate for a home, not as an investment. The housing market has also weathered all other recessions since 1980, and in many cases, it's what helps restart the economy. Number 2, interest rates are low. The Fed has slashed interest rates to try and encourage buyer confidence. So if you've been thinking about taking out a loan to invest in real estate, now may be a great time to do it.
Number 3, there will be an upcoming market boom. Typically, the majority of homes are sold between March and June. Because of the coronavirus, people are not as willing to go view homes, and they don't have the confidence to buy right now. So basically, everything is on hold, which could lead us into an extremely competitive marketplace for the second and third quarter of this year.
This is already shaping up to be a very competitive season. Supply is low, demand is high, which is great news for anyone investing in real estate, which leads me to my next positive outlook silver lining. This will be a great opportunity for house flipping. Millennials are projected to make up the largest percentage of home sales this year. But instead of flocking to trendy urban downtowns to be next to coffee shops and rooftop parties, they're also getting a little older and starting families, so their priorities have changed.
That, along with the coronavirus hurting everyone's finances, will increase the demand for affordable family housing.
This doesn't change the fact that the younger generation wants trendy housing in cool locations with unique and modern touches that look sick on the gram. So being able to take dated real estate and fix it up, you'll be fulfilling 2 needs, the need for affordable housing as well as trendy and desirable housing. So you should be able to sell these houses quickly and make some money in the process.
And our final COVID-19 positive silver lining takeaway is, if you're thinking about investing in real estate, you may have just caught a break in the competition. Believe it or not, a large portion of commercial and residential property is actually purchased by foreign investors. China alone has spent billions of dollars on U.S. real estate. With global economic downturn, we may see less competition, at least for a little while, from international investors.
So those were just 5 quick positive takeaways from all this. I know it's really hard for a lot of people out there, but we're gonna get through this together, hopefully sooner rather than later.
So let's stay positive, guys. I know it sucks to be stuck inside, but maybe you can use this time to plan your next project, or maybe you can research some real estate opportunities.
All right, guys, that is it for us. Join us next week when we are back in our project house doing renovations. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, wash your hands, FaceTime with a loved one, and other than that, we will catch you on the flip side. Bye.
We ain't never going home, ain't never going home. You better know. We ain't never going home, ain't never going home.